D6290. It's ploughing here on virgin country. Just how you found the tiny and what it can dig like, and what you've done with it so far there, Jamie?
Yeah, this plough's currently done about 3,000 acres. I've had it in pretty much every soil type. Quite often, 4 or 5 soil types in one paddock. It varies a lot from sander to really hard black. You need plenty of horsepower for them. This one's in the lighter country, box, below, shallow country, I pull it with a D6 DSA because I'm only chasing 4 inches of ploughing. But as soon as you move into the black soil, the good heavy stuff, and you're chasing woodland suckers, you want to be 85.
Tell us about what you've done with the seeder here, Jamie.
The seeder, because the plough can be dragged down the road behind a wheel tractor, I needed to be able to fold the seeder as well. So basically we just put it on a turntable, and as soon as you drop your 5 bolts there, spin him around, it takes about 15 minutes. It's a 24 volt electric motor up on top there. Just run a cable back from your machine. What else have we got? 10 bends. It works quite well, yeah. It can be swung the other way if you're interested in dropping oats in front of your back gang to plough your oats in. So it does grass seed out the back and oats in front of the gang if you want.
And you'll go over this a second time. This is the first time it's been ploughed just right here.
Yep, this is will be levelled, so it wants plenty of loose material. Second pass over this will just be beautiful. Yeah.
Well, thanks, Jamie, for that.